How to convert the Bitcoin BTC to USDT on Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to convert your Bitcoin to USDT on Binance app, here are the steps that you need to follow. First and foremost, head over to Play Store or App Store to update the app to the latest version. Once updated, launch the Binance application. Then after log in with your credentials, if you have not created the account, create one using the register button. After that, tap on this Binance profile on the top left corner. After tapping on it, you will see different options along with the convert button. If you cannot see the convert button, tap on more services available and under trade you will see this convert section. Now in the from section select BTC and from the to section select USDT. Now that is done, enter the amount in BTC and the maximum amount available is 47. So once that is done, it will convert your Bitcoin BTC to USDT, and once that is done, you can continue with trading. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.